Welcome back, students, with the fourth session of our chapter Carts and Wheels. In the previous video, if you remember, we learned about some facts of circle. And I told you that this fact, diameter is double of radius and radius is half of diameter. It's a very important fact and we'll be using it further to find diameter and radius. Now, diameter is double of radius and radius is half of diameter. From this statement, you can understand that if radius is given, we can very easily find diameter. And if diameter is given, we can find radius. How? Let's see. Diameter is double of radius. That means we can write diameter is equal to radius multiplied by 2. That means radius, when we double radius, we get diameter. Okay. So in short, we can write d is equal to r multiplied by 2. So if radius is given, we just need to multiply it by 2 or we just need to double it and we will get diameter. Let's take some examples. Now the first example I've taken radius is 17 centimeter. Then what will be the diameter of the circle which has 17 centimeter radius? We just have to take up this formula that I have already written here. Diameter is r into 2. In place of r, I just write 17 because here radius is given in the question is 17 centimeter. So 17 into 2, 17 multiplied by 2 is 34 centimeter. So the diameter of that particular circle of whose radius is 17 centimeter will be 34 centimeter. Let's take up one more example to understand this concept better. In this example, I have taken radius 15 centimeter. Now what will be the diameter? Same method, you just have to write the formula. We have to replace r by the given number in the question and multiply it by 2. So in place of r, I have written 15 and 15 twos is 30 centimeters. So that's why diameter of this particular circle is 30 centimeter. Now moving ahead, we have radius is half of diameter. Okay, so here you see we can write that radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Okay, radius is half of diameter. That means when we divide diameter, when we half diameter, to make it half, we just have to divide by 2 and we get radius. Okay, in short, we can write r is equal to d divided by 2. Now here also let's take up some more examples to understand this. How will you do it if a question is given to find radius? Now in the first example, I have taken diameter is 32 centimeter. What will be the radius of this circle whose diameter is 32 centimeter? We'll take up this formula. R is equal to d divided by 2. Here we will replace d by the given number. The given number is 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16 centimeters. So our answer is 16. That means the radius of that particular circle is 16 centimeters. Let's take one more example. Here I have taken diameter 40 centimeters. It will be the radius. R is equal to d divided by 2. I write 40 now in place of d because here in my question 40 is given. 40 centimeter divided by 2 is 20 centimeters. So answer of this question is 20 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 20 centimeter. I think you understood this concept, children. So if you have radius, you can find diameter by this formula, and if you have diameter and you want to find radius, you can find by this formula. Let's take one more example in the form of a word problem. If it is given in the form of a word problem, then how will you find the answer? Here the problem is diameter of a wheel is 84 centimeter, find its radius. So let's see what will be the radius of this wheel if the diameter is given 84 centimeter. How we will find? Let's see here. Diameter is 84 centimeter. We have written this because this is given in the question. And radius we have to find. We don't know. Okay. So for that I have written the formula which we have already discussed. Radius is diameter divided by 2. Again I write 84 centimeter in place of D and I divide it by 2 and I get the answer 42 centimeter. Then if you are unable to divide big numbers by 2, then verbally, then you can use the long division method that you have learned in class 3rd. Okay, children, you can do by that way. That way also you can find the answer. I think you have understood this concept well, children. That's all for now. Thank you so much.